Presentation on small-scale wind turbine. Types: horizontal axis wind turbine, vertical axis wind turbine. Horizontal axis wind turbine. Main rotor shaft and electrical generator at the top of the tower. Must be pointed into the wind. Vertical axis wind turbine. Main rotor shaft arranged vertically. The generator and gearbox can be placed near the ground. Does not need to be pointed into the wind. Relatively low rotational speed. Turbine components. Small-scale turbine components. As follow. Small-scale wind turbine. Has the rated power of less than 50 kilowatts. Gross power is equals a half 4B3R. That's limit max power of 59%. Power curve. Annual household electricity consumption is shown in below graph. Thanks for watching.